Pressure is the force exerted per unit area on the surface of an object. It is typically measured in pascals, or par, in the International System of Units, also known as SI formula. Pressure, denoted as P, is equal to force, denoted as F, divided by area, denoted as A, units. The units of pressure include Pascal, abbreviated as par, bar, atmosphere, or ATM, torr, pounds per square inch, or psi. Types of pressure. 1. Atmospheric pressure. This is the pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere. The standard atmospheric pressure at sea level is 101.3 kilopascals. 2. Gauge pressure. This is the pressure relative to atmospheric pressure. 3. Absolute pressure. This is the total pressure exerted on a system, including atmospheric pressure. 4. Differential pressure. This is the difference in pressure between 2 points. Applications: weather forecasting, aerodynamics, hydraulics, and medicine, for example, blood pressure measurement. Pressure belts. Pressure belts are regions on the Earth's surface characterized by high or low atmospheric pressure. Types of pressure belts. Equatorial low pressure belt, found near the equator, characterized by low pressure due to intense heating and rising air. Subtropical high pressure belt, located at around 30 degrees north and south latitudes, characterized by descending air creating high pressure. Subpolar low pressure belt, found at about 60 degrees north and south latitudes, characterized by rising air due to the convergence of cold polar air and warmer westerlies. Polar high pressure belt, located at the poles, characterized by very cold, dense air creating high pressure. Winds. Winds are air movements from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belts towards the equatorial low pressure belt. They are steady and blow from the northeast in the northern hemisphere and the southeast in the southern hemisphere. Westerlies blow from the subtropical high pressure belts towards the subpolar low pressure belts. They blow from the southwest in the northern hemisphere and the northwest in the southern hemisphere. Polar easterlies blow from the polar high pressure belts towards the subpolar low pressure belts. They blow from the east. Monsoon winds. Seasonal winds that change direction with the seasons, causing wet and dry seasons in some regions, particularly South Asia. Local winds include land and sea breezes, mountain and valley breezes, and other winds that are influenced by local topography. Global wind patterns. Hadley cell circulates air between the equator and 30 degrees latitude, driving the trade winds. Ferrel cell circulates air between 30 and 60 degrees latitude, driving the westerlies. Polar cell circulates air between 60 degrees latitude and the poles, driving the polar easterlies.